Today I'm going to cook some pork braised ribs. So I'm gonna cut my pork ribs into small pieces. I'm gonna cut like so. After cutting the ribs, I'm going to season with salt and all-purpose seasoning. You can find this all-purpose seasoning in Coles or Woolworths. That's the salt. All-purpose seasoning. You can use any seasoning that you prefer. In a hot pan, I'm gonna add some oil. Fry the pork ribs for about 10 minutes or until they're nice and golden brown. Flip the ribs to cook both sides of the ribs. And keep tossing the ribs around the pan and make sure they're all cooked on all sides. Add 2 cups of water. Don't add anything like chicken stock because it changes the flavor of the pork ribs. I'm just adding water. And then cover with the lid and simmer for about an hour on low heat. After 1 hour, this is how the ribs looks like. They're nice and soft. For more flavors, I'm going to add 1 large onion, And I'm going to add also 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. Mix around and cook for about 2 minutes. I'm going to add some tomato paste just for color and to start thickening the sauce. Add soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and then I'm going to add oyster sauce, about 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and then mix. And cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add some water. And then add some green onions. You can serve this with rice or anything that you like, but look at this, this is nice and tender.